Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm excited today to bring to you the iPad Air 4th generation. Now, I am aware that this is the 2020 model and it's quite old, and I'm doing an unboxing for this, but I've just gotten the funds. As if you are a old subscriber of HSR, you would know that I fund everything myself. And as you can appreciate, I've got family and I've got other commitments and I've got a career that I use to fund this channel with. So this was on, I guess it got delayed, but I wanted to do a review of this and compare it to the other iPads as well. So thank you for hanging in there. If you're new to this channel, please do know that I fund everything myself, hence the unbiased opinion. So without further ado, let's get this underway. All right, so iPad Air in green, okay? And I have here for you guys the 64 gig Wi-Fi version, okay? So basically every iPad is boxed the same. Too bad they're not doing the without plastic and just knobs here. They're doing it for iPhone. I just unboxed a Beats Pro. If you want to see the unboxing of that, it'll be on the right side of your screen right now. And yeah, none of them have plastic anymore, but this is the only thing that's got plastic. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's it. Love how easy it is to just slide everything out for Apple. So just cardboard over here, nothing too special. Let's put the iPad aside for a second. So what do you get? So you get the booklets as usual. So the iPad Air, some stickers and things like that. So basically how to use this iPad, notification center and everything, okay? And then you get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, all right? And I think it does an 18 watt charger. So USB-C, a 20 watt charger. All right, so it comes with a 20 watt charger. Okay, so let's open this up in an honest, straightforward, traditional way. So what I do is just peel that off. And some of you ask me, why do I do it in this way? Because I sell most of these things after I've used it and done a review, unless if I really like it and then I keep it. That's how I keep the channel going. So yeah, so that's why I take it off in a way so I can seal it back up for a sale. So that's basically it, okay? Green. It looks really green because of the color correction, but that's the old gold. And yeah, so that's how it looks like. It's got a power button, speakers, okay, and USB-C charging. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.